Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can connect your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or the 15 Pro Max with the internet using an Ethernet cable. So let's begin the video. The first question you might have is that why should we even use an Ethernet cable when our iPhone supports 5G or Wi-Fi connection? Well, you are right, but in some cases you might not have the 5G connection or even the Wi-Fi signal. So in that case, your only option is the Ethernet cable from which you can connect to the internet, and in some places you might see this situation. So if you are working in that kind of scenario, then having Ethernet cable will help you. For this you are going to need your iPhone. This will work for the iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max and the other iPhones which has the type C port. Secondly, you are going to need a type C to Ethernet adapter. So this is a multifunction one which also has these different ports. However, you can get the simple one which is only a type C to Ethernet adapter. And lastly, your Ethernet cable which is connected to your router. In order to plug it in, it's pretty simple. One end of the Ethernet cable is connected to your router and the other end will be connected to this adapter. By the way, this adapter is from Ugreen and they make one of the best adapters out there. And on the iPhone, first of all, let me show you that data is off and Wi-Fi is also off. So all I'm going to do is to plug in the Ugreen adapter to the type C port and that should do its job. So if I go into settings, it should show Ethernet option right here. So you can see we have this Ethernet option, which means that our iPhone is connected to the internet using the Ethernet connection. And now if I open any browser like Chrome and reload any website, you can see it's working perfectly all right, although data and Wi-Fi is off because my iPhone is working using the Ethernet cable. So yeah guys, in this way you can connect your iPhone to internet using the Ethernet cable. If you guys liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel and enable bell notifications. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.